Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you an easy and quick way to make plantain moi moi without adding any plantain flour. This is the beautiful result on the countertop. Let's dive into the video to show you how I came up with this beautiful result. Before any other thing, let's prep the moi leaf by washing and disinfecting them. This leaf most time is very dusty, especially during dry season when there is no rainfall. In doing that, I will add some water to a clean bowl and add some salt to it with a soft sponge. Alright, please don't use iron or hard sponge for this, okay? After washing and cleansing each and every one of them one after the other, I will go ahead to slightly place them on a stove top with frame to further kill all the germs and jargons if there is any still remaining. And this is done. For this plantain moi moi, I will be using lots of unripe plantain, alright, with few ripe plantain because I don't want it to be too sugary. Please note, if you are a diabetic patient, this is the right way to prepare your plantain moi moi. I'm peeling the plantain as you can see, after which I will cut them in chunks for easy blending, alright? So after peeling and cutting the plantain in chunks, this is what I've got. This is both the unripe and ripe plantain, alright? I will also be using smoked mackerel fish for this recipe, alright? I'll be deboning it and wash after deboning it. Please feel free to use any protein of your choice. Follow me alongside this particular recipe to know other of the ingredients I'll be using for this plantain moi moi that make it stand out special. Next is the blending time, and I will be starting with the ripe ones, and to it I will add a little water, just a little water, okay, so that the moi moi will not be so soft. Remember, we are not using any plantain flour. For that reason, you have to be very mindful of the quantity of water you will be using. After blending the ripe plantain, I will as well blend the green or unripe plantain. And to this, I will add curry powder, seasoning cube, salt, and for all the seasoning, I will be dividing each and every one of them into two because the unripe plantain is very big, as you can see. For that, I will also blend it into two times, okay? I will as well add some pepper mix, which is a combination of scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper, ginger, garlic, and onion. Once all the add-ins are done, cover the blender and blend very well until everything is combined and very smooth. After blending, this is what I've got. I repeated the process as I earlier said, and everything is ready. Next is to pour the ripe plantain I blended earlier to the unripe plantain batter. Yeah, after combining the two batters, I will go ahead to add some crayfish, smoked mackerel fish I deboned earlier. Rinse the blender with just a little water. I said just a little water. Add some palm oil, then mix very well to combine. Once everything is added, I will go ahead to check and balance the taste before wrapping the moi moi, and yeah, the taste of the moi moi is really delicious. Next is to place a pot on the heat. For me, I like using my steel pot when it comes to moi moi or jollof rice. You get why? I've added a base in the pot already. Next is to add some water to cover the bottom of the pot and bring the water to a boil. The reason of using this lime base is to prevent a lot of water from entering the moi moi. Please, if you don't have this kind of base I use, you can use the leaf sticks, okay, to create a base on the bottom of the pot to place the wrapped moi moi for a better result after cooking. Yeah. Someone say wrapping time. Please pay attention here. Why? Pick one moi leaf at a go. Remove the steak carefully for easy flowing and use the soft part, which is the side I am using. Then use one side to fold the other like so and fold the downside out to avoid the batter from leaking out. Then carefully scoop in the moi moi batter. Not much though, to avoid splitting over the pot. After adding the batter, cover the leaf by pushing it in and fold out. This is beautifully wrapped, right? You can as well use two small leaves to avoid wasting the small ones. Join them and make a cone by folding from one end to the other, just like so, and we are done wrapping the moi moi. Yeah. After wrapping, add the moi moi in the pot and cover with some extra leaf to trap in more steam to the pot before using the pot lid for quick and easy cooking. And the cooking exercise will take about 25 to 30 minutes. Alright. After 30 minutes, our delicious plantain moi moi is ready. Remove from the heat and serve if you want it hot. But why you don't want it hot, allow to cool down a bit before eating. Hope you enjoy this video just as I do. If you do enjoy the video, please give the video a thumbs up, share the video to families and friends, drop your comment, and of course subscribe to our channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a new video. From me and all my crew, thank you so much for watching. Always remain blessed, and we'll see you in the next one.